Hello. So this is question 73 on stoichiometry, and I'm thinking you should take this as a classwork. So you can pause the video and try to do it. How much glucose in grams, you know, would you need to weigh out to be able to prepare 0.04 liters of 0.016 molar solution? So try it out and yeah. Okay. So here's the solution to it. How much glucose do you need to weigh out? They've given us the molar mass of glucose, so that's good. They're very kind. The volume of the solution is 0.04 liters, and the concentration in molarity is 0.016 molar. Now, we can get the number of moles of glucose in here by saying concentration multiplied by volume and not just saying it, but then actually calculating it. So that's our concentration, and this is our volume. Let's calculate that, shall we? 0.00064. So this stands as the number of moles of glucose that is in the solution, okay? Because glucose is the solute. Now, to finish this up, we need to convert that to mass. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass of glucose. That means that the mass of glucose, see how easy this stuff is, right? Number of moles times molar mass. And the number of moles is 0.00064. And the molar mass is 180.16. So by the time you do that multiplication, you should have 0.1153 grams of glucose. What's the formula for glucose? Yes. So you can tell me the formula for sucrose in the comments. And then let me know how you found this. Was it easy for you? Was it hard? This question? Let me know in the comments as well. And I'll see you on 74. Do subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, by the way. We have more of these videos coming your way. We're learning stoichiometry and we must be great at it. All right, 74.